Good morning, grade 3. How are you? It's talking about the water. We have to know first that most of our Earth planet is covered with water. You know that more than the half of our Earth is full of water? Yes. If you can see the picture in front of you, you will see a lot of blue color. What is this blue color? It's the waters that cover the Earth. So most of the Earth planet is covered with water. Why we need the water, or who need this water? Yes, we need the water. Only us need water? No, not only us. The animals also need to drink water. And who also? The plants. So, the water is very important. It's very important for who? It's very important for the human or the people, for the plants, and for the animals. So, who need water? We have the people or the humans, the plants, and the animals. Can you stay without water? No, we can't stay without water. So we need the water to what? To stay alive. So humans, plants, animals need the water to live or stay alive. Again, we have plants, animals, and people need water to live. So what we said again, we said that most of the Earth's planet is covered with water. And the plants, animals, and people need this water to live or to stay alive. Okay, now we want to know the sources of water, or from where I can get the water. Okay, the first thing that we can take the water from it is the waterfalls as rains. The rains, it's a type of water. It's a source of water. It's something that gives me water. So the waterfall as the rain from the sky, it's a source that I can take the water from it. So I can get the water from what? I can get the water from the rain. Only the rain? No. We can't take it from the lake. The lake is a small river. So we can't take it from the river. So we can't take it from the lake, and we can't take it from the river. This is a fresh water or a water that has salt in it. Yes, the lake and the river are fresh water that we can drink. You know that the water that we drink inside our houses is coming from what? It's coming from the Nile River. So the river or the lakes are what? Are fresh water. I can get the water from also what? From the sea, which is the smaller than the ocean. So we can get the water from the sea or the oceans. And the sea and the oceans, can we drink from them? No, we can't drink from them. Why we can't drink from them? Because the sea and the oceans are salty water. Water that has salt in it. Okay? So again, we can't find the water in what? We can find the water in the lake, in the river, in the sea, in the oceans, and we said before we can get it from the rains. Again, we can't find the water in what? In lake, river, sea, ocean, in the rains. As I told you before, we drink the water. We can drink the water from what? We can drink the water from lakes and rivers. Why we can't drink the water from the lakes and the rivers? Because they are what? They are fresh water. But We don't drink the water from the seas or the oceans. Why? Because it's salty water. It's water that has salt. As you can see, the girl here is drinking water. This water is fresh or salty? It's fresh. This fresh water is coming from what? From the lakes or the rivers. So again, we can get the water from what? Repeat after me. We can get it from lake, river, sea, oceans. But we can drink the water from what? Only lake and rivers. And because they are fresh water. But we can't drink water from what? From sea or oceans. Why? Because they are salty water. Okay. We have to take care about the water that we have. Because the amount of water may become less or lower than we have now. So what we must do to take care of the earth's water, first we have to turn off the water tape when you are not using it. Not open the tape and left it. So if you don't use the tape, you have to close the water tape. Don't use much water when you brush your teeth. If you brush your teeth, you have to put your toothpaste on the brush, put some water in it, and put a cup full of water beside you, and close the tape. Brush your teeth, then take the cup to clean your mouth, and here you are. So now you take care of the water, and you didn't take a lot of water. And the last thing is to take a shorter showers. We mustn't take an hour or 2 hours in our showers. So you must take what? A shorter showers. So how to take care of the earth's water? First, turn off of the water tape when you are not using it. Number 2, do not use much water when you brush your teeth. Number 3, take shorter showers. Okay? So again, what we said that most of the earth is covered with water. We said more than the half of the earth is water. Who need this water? Plants, animals, and peoples need the water to what? To live or stay alive. We can get the water from what? We can get the water from the rains, from the lake, from the rivers, from the sea, from the oceans. But we can drink the water from what? We can drink the water only from lakes or rivers. Why from lakes and rivers? Because they are fresh water. But we can't drink the water coming from the seas or the oceans. Why? Because they are salty water. And the last thing that we have to know is how to take care of our water, of the earth's water. First, we have to turn on the tape if we didn't use it. Number 2, we don't use much water when you brush your teeth. And number 3, you have to take shorter showers.